Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I'm going to be using the ABH Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1 collection. It's a pretty long name. I don't even know. Anyways, the whole Volume 1 thing does lead me to believe that there will be more Norvina palettes in the future. I would hope so, because this palette is stunning and you guys need it in your life. So in this palette, you do get 25 pressed pigments. These are the most stunning, most pigmented, most beautiful, most buttery shadows ever. I don't think there's no other ABH. Like, all the other ABH palettes are amazing, but none of them have the formula that this one has, of course, because these are pressed pigments, so they're more pigmented. But this palette is amazing. You need it in your life. I got it during the Sephora summer sale. I am so glad I was able to get my hands on it, because wow, you guys are going to be just as stunned as I am when you guys see how I got this look. That's of course if you decide to keep on watching. I do have swatches of these babies for you. So this is the biggest ABH palette that has ever been released. None of these have names. They actually go from rows A through E, 1 through 5. The shadows here are stunning. The packaging is stunning. It is pretty big, but I actually like it. I think it's cute. It's different. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching. I'm so excited for today's video. I'm not looking my best right now, but we will be looking fly AF later. I don't even know why I said fly. Who says fly anymore? Like, it's not 2003. Anyways, I do have these eye patches on because yo girl woke up swollen AF today. Like, my dark circles, my under eyes, they were not cute. I'm hoping this will help. I still feel and look pretty swollen, like, everywhere. I don't know what it is. I was thinking maybe I just didn't drink enough water, but I'm always drinking water, so I don't know. But I'm like really tired. But I was not about to let another day go by without filming this video, because I cannot wait to use this palette. I have not used it, so I'm going to be using it for the first time with you guys. If you guys are interested in these eye patches, I got them from Amazon. They look like this. This is called the Revitalizing 24K Golden Eye Mask, and it brings 12 masks here, and you're supposed to use them like 2 to 3 times a week. They make my under eyes really soft, and they do help a little bit with the darkness, not that much, but I can definitely see a difference when I use these in combination with the Ole Henriksen under eye banana bright eye cream, I think it's called. I could definitely see a difference in my dark circles. So yeah, I do like these or whatever. But if you guys have any eye patch recommendations, let me know down below. Anyways, look at this beauty. Look at her. My mom says it looks like an iPad. It low-key does, but honestly when I open it, I just think of like a mini laptop vibes. You get a huge a huge mirror in here. I love it. It's not heavy at all, and it is big. I love it so much. Look at how stunning these shades are. Like, the camera does not do it justice. I wish you guys could see these in person. Today's look is honestly going to be inspired by Dragon Ball Z. Why? I don't know. Like, I was never even a Dragon Ball Z fan growing up. Like, I would watch a few episodes here and there when I was really bored, but it was never like a thing of mine. But yeah, we're going to be doing some Goku looking ass eye look. Yo, my eyes hurt so bad. So I'm going to be using 2 transition shades today. I'm going to be applying this orange in the inner portions of my eye, and then this blue in the outer portions of my eye. Do y'all see that? This is the most neon orange I have ever used, and you like right off the bat it was this pigmented. I didn't have to like build it up to this intensity. I am feeling, I can't even describe how I'm feeling because I'm so shook right now. There is some fallout. It doesn't really bother me. I never understood people that get bothered by fallout. Like, just clean it up. So far, I'm stunned by how pigmented these shades are. I do gotta say, when I swatched these, they felt so different from any other shadows that I've ever touched before. Like, not even, they didn't even compare to any other ABH shadows. These were more buttery, like silk on your fingertips. I am going to blend the top a little bit more with this yellow shade. So I applied the yellow only on top of the blue. I feel like this is looking kind of weird right now, but we'll see. This is, you know, you gotta trust the process. So now I am going to cut the crease. I know, another half cut crease. Vanessa, listen, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. We're doing a half cut crease, and that's fine. Okay. You guys, this eye has been so watery lately, like it's just non-stop. Hopefully I'll be able to put on my lashes today, because the recent looks that I've done, like outside of YouTube and Instagram, like just everyday makeup looks, I haven't been able to wear lashes because my eyes just drip. It's been literally ruining my concealer when I apply it. So yeah, this is what our creases are looking like. I'm thinking I'll do this orange. Doesn't look orange on camera, but it's orange. This like shimmery orange, and then this blue. It's like an indigo shade towards the end. So this is what we're currently looking like. I'm not even gonna lie, I did have to finesse it a little bit off camera by adding the glitter, because the base that I was using is not a good one, honestly. Like, I've really been hating it, but it's what I have, from She Who Must Not Be Named. And the base and the shadow wasn't working. The base and the shadows weren't working well. Like the base wouldn't allow the shadow to blend, and I know it was not the eyeshadow at all, because I used two different eye bases today. I used the ABH one and then another one, and they blended out perfectly on top of the ABH one. But then in the portion that I did use, the other brand, it looked a hot mess. So to hide it, I did the glitter liner up top. I know it still looks a little crazy, but we are going to make this work, I promise. So now we're going to move on to the face. And for foundation, of course, we're going to be using the ABH Luminous Foundation in the shade 355N. Also, I did use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Oh, guys, something really cool about this palette is that when you open it, you can open the mirror all the way. So now for concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. I wonder when Ulta's gonna have another Shape Tape sale, because I need a restock soon. So now to set my face, I'm gonna use the ABH Loose Translucent Powder in, not translucent, loose setting powder in the shade Banana. And I've actually been really liking this powder because it really blurs out your skin and just makes you look so airbrushed. Alright, so I did apply some white liner to my waterline off camera, and now to my lower lash line I'm going to do the same thing I did in my lids. I'm going to do blue on the outer portions and then orange on the inner portions. So now we're going to contour with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. Alright, so for bronzer I'm using my NYX bronzer in the shade Medium. Alright, so now for blush and highlighter, I'm going to use the Tarte Pro and Glow Blush Palette. What a mouthful. And I'm going to be using this blush right here and then this highlighter. Alright, so it's time for lashes. I am going to be applying off camera. Sorry. These are Cosmetics lashes. These are in the style Sirena. And again, these are from my friend Melida's brand. But not just because she's my friend. Her lashes are everything. They have great quality and they're very inexpensive. I will link them down below. Hopefully I can get them to stay on because my eyes are so freaking watery. I don't know, maybe I'm having allergies or something. Like it's been continuous for days now. Guys, how gorgeous are these lashes? Like, how gorgeous are these lashes? All her lash styles are completely gorgeous. All right, so moving on to the lips, I am going to be using the Dose of Colors Ecstasy X Katie, my main lipstick, and then I'm gonna go over that with the Kylie Cosmetics Oh You Fancy lip gloss. This is why you have to trust the process. I'm in love with the way this look came out. I really like it. Look how gorgeous these lashes are. I know I already said that, but yeah, I am in love with this freaking palette. If you're somebody that's into colorful looks, you need this palette in your life. You need it. I love it. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.